Good morning. Good morning to all the second year BCom computers and general students. Here myself Katyani madam explaining about the insurance and its importance. Previous classes you learned as well as you heard about what is risk, what type of risk are existing, how the risk management is helping its insurers. These are topics we dealt in previous class. Today we are going to learn about the importance of insurance. So firstly, what is insurance? Insurance is a means of guaranteeing to financial protection against various risks. Any event may happen in future which should be impaired by the corporate earnings. So any event is here, risk here. So how should be impaired with the finance? So who is taking the responsibility of giving the finance during the risk conditions? Insurance company is taking the contract. Why it is taking the contract? Because you came into the agreement of a contract of insurance with insurance company. That is the reason it is helping you. Next, in exchange for a relatively small payment, you gain protection against a potentially large loss. What is the meaning of the sentence here is, today you are saving very small amount, very less amount. This less amount what you are saving today, that may be monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually. This small saving today is becoming a huge financial support to you in future during some conditions. What type of conditions? It may be house burning. It may be spending some weeks in hospital, means you are hospitalized due to any reason or any accident. It may be a natural or automobile accident. So this insurance is helping the human beings during their risk conditions. There is non-life insurance also is existing, not only for the human, for animals also there is insurance. So life of human beings is full of risk and uncertainties. Insurance provides security to human beings against these risks and also compensate the financial losses due to any damages by others or an accident. It has been observed that the importance of the risk management in the business increases with the increase in complex economic system and competition in industry. So there are many importance for the risk. So what is the risk contract here? Nature of the contract. Life insurance is not a contingent contract. The main objective of this insurance is the life insurance policy provides protection and encourages the investment and saving. It is encouraging all the people for their saving for future benefits. So what is why insurance? The question here is, why is insurance? To provide security, old age pensions, as an investment or a saving mechanism, as a collateral for loans, for tax benefits. Suppose you are joining the LIC policy, so whatever amount is saved, on that there is no tax. So it is exempted from the tax. The LIC policies are exempted from the tax. You can avail loans very easily. Suppose you are having the policies in insurance companies, because insurance is a very good brand company which is giving the security to the people. So once you have the policy holders, you may take different types of loans it is helping for. It is one type of investment which is going to help for any types of events in future. Old age, during the old age situation, no need to depend upon anyone. You have your own financial plan to provide the security for you as well as your family is also one of the main importance why insurance is very important. Next, in hours of insurance, risk, return, riders, reward value, added and rebate. What is risk? Risk is any event, any accident, any situation which occurs in future. For that we should be benefited with financial thing or finance by the finance. Return. Today what you saved, the little what you saved today is going to come in the form of a huge return to you. Okay, riders, rewards, rebate. What is rebate? Who are riders? The people who are helping you to provide the financial situation during the risk conditions, the mediators who are helping you. Rewards are also there, rebate is also there. What is rebate? Discount on the insurance comes under rebate. It is giving some extraordinary benefits to its policy holders in the form of gift checks or in the form of some valuable incomes to its policy holders. That comes under rewards. 5 points which are under R. Insurance is fortunate for many, for unfortunate for few. So, what is the meaning of this? There is a huge meaning in this. Some people, calculate what is going to happen in future. Beforehand itself, they plan. Okay, they may be fortunate for many, unfortunate. They learn a lesson after they, come across few problems. When they come across these problems, they realize, yes, we should have some financial support. So this event is teaching them to have financial support. So for unfortunate for few. Next, classification of chart. That is, which chart this is? Insurance. When you go for insurance, there are two here. That is general insurance, life insurance. And when you come for general insurance, there are many types of insurance here. That is health insurance, motor insurance, marine insurance and fire insurance. I hope you people can understand, means the word health, motor and fire. Whereas marine means the people who does the business in water, in waterways. It may be ships or it may be boats or any type of business on water. For that also there is a insurance which comes under marine insurance. Need for insurance planning. Insurance is not for the person who passes away, it's for those who survive. Insurance planning is concerned with ensuring adequate coverage against insurable risk. So what is the meaning of this point is, insurance planning is concerned with ensuring adequate coverage, required financial thing against insurable risk for the problem what has been occurred, which has been already having the insurance. Insurance enables to live or lives to the fullest without worrying about the financial impact of events that would hamper it in future. Once you join the policies here, once you are insured, so what is happening is you can live freely. Any event occurs in future, company is there to look after you. So that type of confidence the people gain when they have the insurance planning. A major reason why we need insurance is to ensure that you are not forced to close it. You are exposed to claim it. Claim it means what? The amount what you are going to receive after the policy completes, the amount, settlement of amount from the insurance company comes under the claim. The money what you are going to receive, the liquid cash or a check what you are going to receive after the policy expires, or there is a breach of the contract or whatever it is, you are receiving the amount means it comes under claim. So it is helping for planning for future. Next, importance of insurance. Insurance provides safety and security, generates financial resources, encourages savings, promotes economic growth, spreads risk and medical support. So medical small accidents also, when you are hospitalized, the recovery of this bills is taken by the insurance company. Spreads risk means you are paying the policy like you, many number of people, thousands of people are paying the policies. So during such sudden any event, so immediately the insurance company should pay to you. So from where it is going to pay? It is going to pay from all the policy holders. It is going to take some percentage of the amount and immediately it is going to pay to you. So who is sharing your risk? All the policy holders and the insurance company are sharing your risk. Same way, any event happens to that particular people also, it is spread in this way. Promotes economic growth. How this is related to the insurance is related to economic growth, because how insurance is related to economic growth, because if all are having the financial support, if all are well planned, automatically the standard of living of the people increases. When everyone's standard increases, it is development of the country. Automatically growth percentage of the country economy increases. Encourages saving. It is helping you. It is reminding you that today if you save, tomorrow you can enjoy the fruits of that saving. Financial resources. You no need to depend on anyone once you are the policy holder of the insurance company. It is safety and security. It is not only providing the safety to you, for your family also. The family is also going to get the security and benefits of this insurance. Need of the insurance. Yes, when you ask a question that is there any need of insurance, definitely I insist you that there is a need of insurance to protect oneself from the financial losses, to make debt payment after death, to safeguard home from flood, theft, fire, to deal during time of disability. What is the meaning of disability? Because of an accident, any part of the body has been lost. It may be eye, it may be a hand or a leg, or any part of the body has been damaged. So completely there is a disability. During such conditions, when you are not able to work or earn an income, this insurance is going to help financially and support you. To safeguard home from flood, theft and fire. Once you are insured because of flood or because of robbery or because of fire accident also, the company is going to stand in front of you and help you in these conditions. To make debt payment after death means, suppose you took the loans, that insurance, whatever you saved this insurance policy, in this insurance policy is going to clear the debts, as well as it is also going to help your family from the financial condition. To protect oneself from financial losses, any problem in the financial situation, this insurance is going to help you. I also tell you one more point here, that is surrender value. What is surrender value is, it contains a specified amount of value. Suppose you are the policy holder and since 5 years you are paying the policy. After 5th year or 6th year, you are in need of some money and you don't have any securities to provide in the bank for taking the loan. So during that condition, you can avail the loan from insurance company itself. How can you avail the loan from the insurance company? The policy what you paid till now, that bond is going to act as a security to you. So when you want to take the loan, the insurance company is providing the loan to you, but this insurance bond, whatever is existing with you, you should return to the insurance company. So when you are returning, the breach of contract takes place. Agreement between you and the company is going to break up, whereas it is supplying the financial support to you. That particular availing of the loan on your policy and helping you during the financial losses is one example to protect oneself from financial losses. It is surrender value. As well as there are many more importance for this insurance. To deal with contingent liabilities, to safeguard your business from losses of income, to safeguard oneself during loss situations, to protect one's car from various losses, as well as your family also against the financial conditions. I hope that all the students are able to understand the topic of insurance, the importance of insurance and the types of insurance. Still, we will be learning in detail about the insurance in the next class. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.